Blocking someone on Chime is a straightforward process that helps you manage your interactions on the platform. Follow these steps to block a user effectively. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to your contacts. Go to the Contacts section of the app. This is where you can view all your connections and interactions within Chime. Step 3. Find the user you want to block. Scroll through Contacts or use the search function to locate the person you wish to block. Tap on their name to access their profile. Step 4. Access block options. Once you are on the user's profile, look for the option that says Block User or similar. This option is usually found in the Settings or Options menu of their profile. Step 5. Confirm the block. After selecting the block option, you will be prompted to confirm your decision. Confirm that you want to block this user, and they will no longer be able to contact you through Chime. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on Chime and ensure your experience on the platform remains positive.